Presenting the OnePlus Band Smart Everywhere that comes with a dual color band design. It comes with a removable main tracker design and has a touch display for easy controls. The 1.1-inch AMOLED display adds brighter colors and higher contrast to the screen. With the ATM5 and IP68 certification, the band is dust and water resistant up to a depth of 50 meters for 10 minutes. The watch comes with a standby time of up to 14 days. The OnePlus Band comes with 13 dedicated exercise modes that analyze your performance with real-time stats using fitness-specific metrics. It also comes with a sleep tracker and a real-time heart rate monitor with built-in vibration alarm for high pulse readings. A dedicated optical oxygen sensor helps track your blood oxygen saturation level. Get notifications for calls and messages on the band. It also lets you control the music and camera shutter on your connected smartphone. The band comes with different UI wallpapers and watch faces that lets you customize it according to your choice. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.